What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a coin that I think is highly undervalued and is getting ready for a massive market cycle. I'm going to be going over the technicals of this coin from an analysis perspective and running over why I see a lot of people talking about it and a lot of people hyped about this project. This is my personal perspective on where prices will go. Before I get started though, make sure that you comment down below where you're tuning in from in this beautiful world, as well as hitting that subscribe button to my channel, because I'm dedicated to uploading 5 videos a week, just like this one you're seeing today, to keep you guys updated and posted in the cryptocurrency markets. So without further ado, let's get straight into the analysis. So it's honestly blowing me away what this project is actually doing. As far as prices go, I'll get into projections in a minute, but right now we're valued at 22 cents. What we've actually seen since the whole panic, the whole COVID panic and everybody freaking out in all markets, is a massive recovery and actual upside growth past the previous high. We've seen 376% upside since the panic. And you guys, this just goes to show, actually, let's see, almost 455%. This just goes to show how much panic gets bought up and how fear is an emotion that doesn't last. This is why big picture, anything that has use case, anything that has volume, that has demand, grows. There's corrections along the way, there's pumps and there's dumps, but overall the trend is up. And that's exactly what I'm seeing with Engine Coin, is the development of a massive uptrend. You guys, this project has been consolidating sideways with some pumping action and some retracement action kind of in the middle, but really since mid-2018 it's been moving sideways. There was this pump all the way up to 24 cents and then, kind of this retest of 5 cents, but for the most part this has been an accumulation consolidation period for Engine. Now, a lot of people are wondering, okay, Engine started to take off, is this the end of the market? All these different questions. You guys, that's kind of the wrong mindset to have. When you're talking about cryptocurrency and when you're looking at cryptocurrency charts, you should be thinking like a long-term buyer watching for big picture trend development. And so all of these short price action moves, even this, or this and this is just noise for the big picture. So even if prices consolidate like this and see a little bit of a retracement before they push higher, who cares about the short time frames when we're getting ready to break above resistance at 25 cents and then the all-time high is at 49 cents. So we literally only have a few 100%, actually 120% before the all-time high. So prices only have to double for us to break the all-time high and start going into price discovery mode. Now, what happens in price discovery? Well, we're discovering new prices. And so with that price discovery mode, we actually get parabolic action in the same way that prices went parabolic right here and had this parabolic run and then had a mini parabolic run right here. We will get parabolic price movement at the break of a previous all-time high. This is a double bottom breakout. We have this low right here, we have this peak right here, and we have another low right here, and we're actually getting ready to break that peak that I was pointing out at around 25 cents. When we break that peak, you move the same height as the double bottom pattern. So you can measure from the low to the peak, and then you can put it on top of the pattern itself, and that's our minimum target. We generally exceed these targets, but the minimum target would be 38 cents. As far as big picture targets, this is, due to the nature of the VIP, I cannot get into details of exact price targets, but this is one that I personally see a lot of upside growth, and the all-time high is really just the beginning. You guys, like I said, when we break the all-time high, we're in price discovery mode and parabolic action is coming. Now, this is one that a lot of people are talking about right now. And for anybody that knows Tika, you guys, I personally only know about what coins that actually pumped because of his release, because they were all the same coins that pumped on Binance, and my buddy over at DIY Investing made a video about it. So I was found out what coins that he was actually talking about. I was actually talking about Engine before he made that, though. Before he ever released his calls, before he ever talked about what coins were going to go up, I was talking about Engine on my channel. So go back and you can find the Engine video. You'll see it in the thumbnail of the video, a picture of Engine, a picture of KNC, and a few other coins that I was talking about publicly on my channel long before Tika ever called them. Now, with that being said, you guys, this is a coin that has been talked about by a lot of big names. Tika, a lot of other people are talking about Engine coin. So it is one that the community likes. It is one that the community has a lot of demand for. And although the general population is in disbelief, and although the majority of the population is in disbelief, there is a lot of people inside of the cryptocurrency space that are waking up and realizing, oh, this is time for us to be buying again. This is probably the beginning of another major bull run. And it's really just time to be net long in the markets and investing in yourself, investing in cryptocurrency, and getting ready for some amazing movement to come. So that's one of the reasons the community is so big on it. I was big on it before. The community was coming around to it. Not from like an egotistical standpoint, just letting you guys know that this is one that I've been watching for a while now and that I'm excited about. And one of the reasons that I felt strongly about making this video today is a few people in my Discord were asking me about Engine. A few of my VIP members wanted to know a little bit more about it. And for you VIP members, I will be releasing some more detailed projections, but you guys already actually have my price targets for Engine inside of the VIP. So that's part of the altcoin picks that I was talking about, and I go into exactly what the targets are. So I will reference you guys to that, and I will go into a little bit of projections for the VIP members that were asking me about this. They were also asking me a little bit about Ren, and Ren, or maybe it was Raven. We'll just go over both of them because I don't remember exactly which one it was. So Ren is one that I really, really like the chart pattern as well. This is an inverse head and shoulders pattern with a breakout. This was kind of a little inverse head and shoulders pattern right here. And then there's also just this kind of rounded structure right here where we're getting a double rounded structure. And so for this coin specifically, if we can get above resistance here, I fully expect us to go to price discovery for Ren as well. I really like this chart pattern. And, as the leading coins like Tezos and Link, as they continue to break out, we're going to get a lot of these coins breaking out as well and showing strength in the market. And then the other one, since I'm not entirely sure, I can't remember off the top of my head which one you guys were asking me about. Ren is another, or Raven coin is another coin that I've been looking at a little bit lately, and this one has the potential of having a double bottom. So if this double bottom does play out, meaning that if we can get above the resistance of this price point right here and start to show strength in the market, then this double bottom pattern is a very large double bottom pattern. So you'd measure the height of it, you take the resistance point, and you put your line above at the point of breakout, and that would be your target and your first minimum target, not your big picture target. So all of these coins have effective strategies for mapping out short-term targets, long-term targets. And so that's a lot of what I teach in my VIP group, is actually how to map this stuff out, how to remain profitable along with the signals so that you guys can follow along with me. And with that being said, you guys, all of these coins that I mentioned in today's video have a lot of potential. Engine and Ren are probably the best looking. This one is definitely lagging behind a little bit, but that isn't to say that it can't do a massive run in the future as it finds support. So that's kind of what I want to talk about today, you guys. If you aren't a VIP member, consider joining today. Links are in the description for joining me. Send me a direct message or an email, and I'll get you set up with the VIP group. It's definitely the best way for you to transform your trading and for you to start making money in the markets. You guys, when I first got into crypto trading, I had $5 into my Poloniex account. I was able to take that $5 and then figure out how to make a YouTube channel, figure out how to make some money in other places, and then I got up to $1,000. And then I literally took that $1,000 and was able to make hundreds of thousands of dollars with it. in a very, very short period of time in 2017. And since then, I've been able to make even more money in the markets through 2019 through 2020 and produce even more wealth in my life. So that's a transformation I've had, going from literally broke, living in a shack, feeling depressed, feeling anxious, feeling scared, not knowing what I was going to do, not having a purpose with my life, having thoughts of suicide, my family telling me that I need to get a job every single day. And then I was able to take all of that and turn it into something beautiful for myself, focus myself, make money in the markets, create passion, have influence on other people. And so the VIP is really a way for me to help you guys make that same transformation. And I'm all about you guys making YouTube channels. I'm all about you guys making Discord groups, literally whatever you want to do. As you learn this stuff, branch out, help other people do it as well. I love to see the abundance of transformation that we can make together. And for me, I think it's an amazing opportunity and thing when anybody creates a YouTube channel, starts teaching this stuff as well. So if you want to learn how and then move into helping other people do it, this is really a great way for you to do that. My buddy DIY Investing, he created his YouTube channel, and he created his YouTube channel after he saw what I was doing with mine, and it's been one of the most beneficial things I've ever had happen for him to make his, because we both teach each other so much stuff from our YouTube channels, and it's a win-win for everybody. So, if you're inspired to do this, join the VIP, start learning how to trade, create your own YouTube channel, and start teaching other people as well. And we can all become profitable in the markets together. So thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. I have a deep degree of gratitude for you guys that I cultivate daily, and I truly appreciate all of the love and support that I receive on my channels. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video, and I look forward to seeing you in future updates. As always, stay profitable out there.